Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's SecondSplash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some commissions have come in. And more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how, even as a free member, you can earn viral passive traffic to your offers. I want to show you how, as a free member, you can earn monthly recurring commissions, and I want to show you some proof of the bonus income that is also in this done for you funnel. So it's a brand new launch just this week, and this program is going absolutely huge online. So if you want to watch just for the traffic, just click the link in the description here and watch this video on the viral passive traffic and how you can just set up a free account. So I'm live here in my Gmail accounts where I get my notifications, and if I just scroll up here, what happens is you get this notification here from SecondSplash, and it says you made a commission. So I'm an upgraded member, but even as a free member, this commission here is a monthly recurring commission. So it says, because you are a pro member, your commission is double that of free members. So, but excuse me, but you will continue to receive this commission as long as your referral remains a pro member. So the key thing is to get into profit fast with these offers. I'm going to show you how to do that. And even if you're a free member, you would receive 25% of this commission. So you would get about $5, but that's $5 every single month. And that just shows you there exactly how you earn that commission there. Now I want to show you another commission that you can also earn. It's called the bonus income. So you'll see here it says B for bonus income. And with the bonus income, this is the sister, what we're going to call it, the sister product called Easy Cash for Ads. So the owners of Easy Cash for Ads, who have had that product online for 6 years, have just created this SecondSplash product. And the beauty of that is they've put Easy Cash for Ads into the back office of SecondSplash. So you can not only earn monthly recurring commissions, you can also earn an additional bonus income from Easy Cash for Ads. Now, if I go into my Easy Cash for Ads back office here, you'll see that on the 11th, which was the same day I got my pro member commission, my upgrade commission, I earned $10 from Easy Cash for Ads. Now, what I love about Easy Cash for Ads is, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, Easy Cash for Ads is a one-time payment of $19, but you can also earn passive income from this program as well. So I've done other videos on my channel here. I'll just show you here on my channel. I've done other videos here on Easy Cash for Ads, 670 into profit there. 100% commission, 16 months in a row. So if you want to go onto my channel and watch those videos, you can see how Easy Cash for Ads works. But what you do is, with Easy Cash for Ads, you'll see that it converts very well. So I've been earning 100% commissions every single month. And you can also put some, a traffic offer in there, and you're going to promote your offer to 100% proven buyers. So that's just sort of an overview there briefly. You've got monthly recurring commission, and all you do is set up a free account. You don't have to join Easy Cash for Ads for the bonus commission. That's optional. You will earn these monthly recurring commissions here when any of your referrals upgrade. And if you join our team, what you'll see here is that I'm promoting our team. I'm going to be promoting for you if you join the link in the description. So let me just go on to advertising here and show you this. So you're going to get sort of passive promotion from my advertising as well, my promotion, going to affiliate links. And you can do the same. Oh, we just log back in. And you can do the same for your team, for your referrals. So there's a referral link down here. When you click on the link in the description, it will say this. It will say, my sponsor helps me to get referrals. So all you do is promote that link, and then you're going to help your team members get their first 2 qualifier sales. When you go into the back office, it tells you here exactly how everything works. You go into here, how it all works, splash pages, referral system, etc. But I'll be promoting this link, and then through promoting this link, I'm going to be helping you get your first 2 qualifier sales, and then you can start to get passive traffic from promoting yourself as well. Let's just have a look at the actual passive traffic and how that works. So when you click the link in the description and watch this video here, this gives you sort of a brief overview of how that works. But I want to show you some stats here today. If I go into stats dashboard. So it's very, very simple to create a splash page. And when you click on my splash pages, they take you through to an offer. And I'm promoting at the moment, I'm promoting Click Engine and I'm promoting Easy Clicks. So I'm promoting traffic offers. But what you'll see there, that splash page had 8 clicks and that splash page had 4 clicks. It gives you your stats down here. Now, I want you to think ahead here and think that when the team and when you watch the compensation plan and you see how the team can grow, all right, how the team can grow through giving away passive traffic, these clicks here are going to go viral and massive. So you're just going to get viral traffic. You're going to get viral passive clicks, automated traffic and clicks onto your offers. And you see it's already happening for me. So already in just a couple of days, I'm getting clicks. That's totally automated. And then as when you watch the video and see exactly how the viral aspect works, when this number gets into the hundreds and the thousands, then these clicks here are going to go into the hundreds and the thousands. And all of that is passive and automated. And you'll know when you watch my videos, I'm very big on automation. I'm very big on getting passive traffic and passive income, because then that frees up more of your time to do other things in life. So very, very clever system, SecondSplash. The owners of Easy Cash for Ads have really created an absolutely superb program here. And if you've got any questions, then please leave those in the comments below. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I've got over 800 videos on the channel, and I'm doing a new video every day. And long term, I plan to create several new videos every single week and new content for you. If you've got any questions at all about SecondSplash or Easy Cash for Ads, then please put those into the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions. And then I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email. So the link in the description will take you to a page like this. And all you do is watch this video, you set up a free account, and that will take you into a back office exactly the same as this. And you can go through all the information in the menu down the left-hand side, and it's going to explain exactly how really I believe this is such a superb offer, not only to get viral passive traffic, but to also earn monthly recurring income and bonus income at the same time. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.